All right, guys, so there you guys have it. I am super happy with the results on this setup, and I want to say the reason why this setup looks so cool is because those colors. I mean, I can't stress that enough. I love the way they look. I love the combination of the colors with the logo. Amazing. So, and we've been talking about many things over here, many crazy things as well. But yeah, we've been talking about a lot of things, here. And I want to also, we're gonna do one more video because I was talking to them about the type of services that they are offering. So right now they are doing interior details, exterior details. But there is one more service that they can provide, which I will show you guys. We're gonna come over there to the other shop and we're gonna talk about this right here, this product, okay? This is an all-in-one from Vonixx. There's many other ones out there, but this is the one that I like so far, because it gives you a good, it's gonna correct really nice, and it's gonna leave a good protection for our customers. So, I mean, if you have a good combination of those two things right there, it's gonna be a win-win even for you and as well for your clients, okay? So let's move on to the other shop and we're gonna talk about this. So as of right now, the setup is done. We already tested out and they are happy.
So happy.
So happy. Okay. So now let's move on to the other shop. Let's talk about this product.
Yes, sir.
Because we have to talk about this. This is a good way to make money and a good way to make a lot of clients happy. Okay?
Exactly.
All right. Let's move on.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a little bit of scratches right here just to kind of show like what happened when you kind of wash your car on the tonneau car washes and stuff like that, which I'm not against, because the more people bring their car to the tonneau car wash, the more clients you're gonna have. I mean, we can let them know right now, don't do it, but if you guys like to do it because you guys think, oh, it's easy to go through, and you don't care about your car, that's totally fine. But if you do care about your car, I mean, do it right. If you're gonna wash your car, take your time and do it right. Or bring it to the professionals. Save time over detailing out of New Jersey or Ralda's Details here in Richmond. And many more. Just Clean Details, Miranda Detailing, like you name it. There's so many all over the place. Don't stress about it. We have detailers. If I'm busy, call me. I'm gonna send you or refer you with the next detailer around, the best detailers in the area, okay? So, there is few scratches. We're gonna do a close-up right now so they can see exactly how it looks and everything. So, we're gonna use those lights, and as you guys can see, there is a lot of scratches, roll marks and things like that. If you guys follow the light around, you guys can see there is a lot of scratches. So, and sometimes customers, they don't have the budget to do like a full one-step paint correction or two-step paint correction. They want something more like, how can I say this? They want something like quicker, to do it faster and stuff like that. So that's when this product right here from Vonixx, all-in-one product, came pretty handy, because all you have to do, you don't have to be spending so much time on the polisher. You just need a little bit of product, okay? And this is gonna be almost applying, close to apply a wax. Maybe you're gonna spend a little bit more of time, and you're gonna do sections maybe of 3x3 or stuff like that. Okay. So you can go through a vehicle, I wanna say, in 2 hours, you can do a car. Okay. Like that's washing the vehicle.
That's including
doing clean the vehicle, the decontamination stage and everything. And then after that, that's exterior only. My starting price is anywhere from $250. If you make 4 of those a day, that's $1,000. That's a good way to make $1,000 a day. Okay. So we're gonna do a speed 1 to spread the product. And then we're gonna Simple as that. Now I'm gonna grab a towel and we're gonna show you guys the results. Is it gonna be perfect? No, because this is a quick way to get good improvements for your client and they're gonna be happy. The only reason that you're gonna be able to see a lot of scratches in this panel is because you have these nice lights.
Yeah, nice light, yeah.
Exactly.
But even that
It already
made
looks
a
amazing.
big
You see,
difference.
I was going
Yeah.
quick.
And
I
you
was
did
going
quick.
super quick
Yeah.
with it. And now, let me show
No,
you guys the
perfect.
results right here. Okay? There you go. That was like 4 quick passes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's still some imperfections, some deeper imperfections. But that right there is a really good way to make your client super happy,
Yeah.
and we can make money as well. Once again, you can easily do 4 of those ones,
For sure.
and I'm talking about $250. That's the starting price.
Yeah.
That's the starting price for a small vehicle,
Small vehicle.
because it's a lot of still it's a lot of work. You got to go around. It's 2 hours
Just
of
wash
work,
and then boom.
just washing the car, prepping the vehicle. Like it takes time,
Yeah.
But 2.5 hours of work. Once again, you do 4 of those. The starting price is $250, and that's at least my case.
Yeah.
And then it's exterior only. You are not touching the interior at all
yeah.
and stuff like that. Like if they want interior, then it's obviously
plus.
additional
Yeah.
cost for that. Or you can set this, which this right here is included on my premium detail. You can set a package for the clients.
Yeah.
And how much it can be, like the starting price, $399,
Yeah.
$420 or so.
Yeah.
And you do 2 of those a day, how much is it? Close to $1,000 as well.
$1,000.
That's for a small car.
Yeah.
If you got a truck, you charge $500, $600, whatever,
Yeah.
The bigger the vehicle, the more you're gonna charge. The worse is the vehicle, the more you're gonna charge, because you have your starting price in your website.
Yeah.
And you got to make sure that says a starting price at boom for this service. And then whenever you send them a form to them to read them, you're going to explain as well,
Yeah.
you're going to charge more depending upon the conditions of the vehicle.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah. So what do you guys think so far?
No, I think it's really good. You told me about this before, and it's really a good way not only to take your business to the next level, but like also provide more professionalism for the customer, because a lot of customers don't know that this even exists. They think they have to do a paint correction and it's going to cost $1,000. And if you offer them, it's not going to be that much. You can do just a paint enhancement, where you can get your paint to a level that you can look at it and feel good about it, and not see all the bunch of scratches using only one product. So it's really easy. You can charge a price that is like it can be like
Correct.
So
it's going to be profitable. It's going to be good for your client. It's going to be good for you.
Exactly.
I mean,
Everyone
that's the end
comes out
goal.
winning.
That's the
Everyone
end
comes
goal.
out
It's a win-win for both parties,
Yeah, for
so, and with that being said, we're going to give a big shout out to Vonixx for creating such amazing products from Brazil, representing Brazil.
Brasil. Vonixx aí no Brasil.
Keep going.
Vonixx aí no Brasil é uma marca, eu sei que Vonixx começou em 2005 e até hoje aí só vem elevando o nível cada vez mais. E eu agora vou estar usando mais produtos da Vonixx ainda, que o Tony me passou uns produtos a mais, e principalmente esse blend aí eu vou estar fazendo testes, e inclusive no meu canal também eu vou estar fazendo uns vídeos sobre esses produtos e outros produtos também. Mas shout out to Vonixx.
Yep.
Aí todo mundo sabe que Vonixx é melhor, esquece.
Vonixx, todo bem. Now, you try another product from Vonixx today, which I think we have the bottle over here. There we go. What do you think about this one?
Wow, man. So this one is an all-purpose cleaner, right? So it's also a bacterial cleaner, right?
Correct.
So it cleans also bacteria. So let's suppose it's something related to health or something that is spill of human inside the car.
Correct.
This will clean all the bacteria, so you don't gotta worry about that. But the plus thing of all that this APC has different than all the other ones is the smell. It's not that strong smell
Correct.
that you feel like
You're
spraying it
choking
like,
yourself.
yeah. So this is like, it changed the game a lot because
Correct.
we all know that APC is what we most use in all the
Correct.
cases. You use in the wheel, you use it here, you use that. And also it has a good clean. You can see that the way it leaves a matte shine, like a OM shine. It doesn't leave a shine, it just takes it out, but it doesn't leave that residue that is like sticky. It leaves like surface smooth, you know? So
exactly.
this product is awesome. Just a
Nice.
close up right there.
And this is ready to use. We have the more concentrated version over here as well, as you guys can see. This one here, I mean, you can make plenty of those 16-ounce bottles with this concentrate product. So yeah, I always put about this much of the concentrate and I fill it up, you know, with water, and then you have a lot of product, you know, to play with it. You know, from that it's like a liter or more.
Yeah.
But yeah, like really, really good product.
Yeah. And a plus, it also foams up really good.
Exactly.
Which is very good
That's something that a lot of people like.
Yeah,
and I like it as well. Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna finish with this video by saying this in English, Spanish, and Portuguese.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna say this: Vonixx, really nice products. I love them. I'm pretty happy that I'll find them, you know, and I mean, really nice. Como les digo en español ahora, los productos de Vonixx son muy buenos. Los he estado disfrutando bastante. Como ustedes pueden ver, tengo bastantes allí. Los hemos estado utilizando. Muy buenos productos. Me encantan. And now let's say it in Portuguese. I would love to say that in Portuguese, but I can't. But you can say it.
I'm gonna teach you and you come back and say it.
There you go.
But a Vonixx, uma marca maravilhosa, tem produtos maravilhosos para tudo, para interior, para o exterior do carro. E é uma marca muito, muito boa. Vende aqui nos Estados Unidos também, vende no Brasil. No Brasil ela é a mais famosa e pode confiar que você não vai se decepcionar, galera. Isso aqui é uma marca perfeita. E é isso aí.
All right. I did understand everything he said, but I can't speak.
Yeah.
No puedo hablar en portugués.
E eu posso falar pouquinho.
Yeah, how do you say in Portuguese? Like, share, and subscribe.
Curte, comenta e compartilha.
There we go. Yeah.
Curte, comenta
Curte,
e compartilha,
comenta,
galera. Não
compartilha.
esquece de clicar no botão do gostei. E se inscreve no canal.
All right, guys, so that's going to be it. Big shout out to Save Time Mobile Detailing. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. Your setup came out really nice.
Yes.
And I can't wait to have you guys here again, you know. And also, videos coming up because I'm planning to come over there and visit them on a regular day. It's going to be like a day in the life, you know. So stay tuned because there's mini videos coming, you know, on this YouTube channel. So take care, guys. I will catch you guys on the next one.
Take care, guys.